How do I register an account on egdigital.in? To register an account, follow these steps. Click on the Sign Up option on the top right-hand corner of the EG Digital Bookstore. Fill in your information in the required fields of the Create a New User Account form. The personal details you enter in this form must be authentic. Please note, an asterisk denotes a mandatory field. After entering your information, click the Sign Up button available at the bottom. A confirmation message will now be displayed. A user activation email will then be sent to the email address entered by you. This email contains bookstore URL, email address, bookstore account number, and the activation link. Please click the activation link available in the email. This action will open the link in a new window. Next, please click Go to Bookstore. Please note, if you have not received the activation email, please check your spam and junk mail folders. If the mail did not go there as well, please contact the system administrator at eg.digital@eternalganges.com. You can now log into the bookstore using your registered email address and password. How do I purchase the Value Creation subscription on the EG Digital Bookstore? To purchase a subscription, follow these steps. Log in on the EG Digital Bookstore using your registered email address and password. Click the Value Creation tab available on the menu bar. Click on the Value Creation cover to see the relevant product information and subscription offers. Based on your preference, please select the radio button available against the subscription type you would like to opt for. After selecting your subscription offer, please click Add to Cart. Clicking Add to Cart will update the product count in the My Cart option available on the top right-hand corner of the bookstore. Click My Cart to see the product information and its price. Next, continue and click the Purchase button available at the bottom of the My Cart dialog box. You will now be directed to the Eternal Ganges payment method page. It will display your name along with the amount that is to be paid. You can pay using a credit card or through net banking. Select any one option. Once you have made the payment, the book or books will be available for download. You will automatically be directed to the My Account page of the EG Digital Bookstore. All the formats available for download will be displayed here. How can I download and install EG Reader on my device and read books on it? In order to download the EG Reader, the first step is to register with EG Digital. To do this, you must first download and install the EG Reader available for desktop on Windows, Mac and Linux operating systems, for Android on phones and tablets, and iOS on iPhones and iPads. Click on any one of the 4 options available to you under the Desktop Reader section according to your operating system. Once you have successfully installed the EG Reader on your desired platform, launch the EG Reader application by simply clicking the icon. The application will take a few seconds to launch, after which you will be directed to the login interface. Now you will have to register your account on the EG Desktop Reader. Please enter the email address and password and click the OK button to complete the registration. You will be navigated to the My Library interface. The books you have already purchased will be displayed on the left-hand side. The books available for download will be highlighted in a pale red color. To download the book, right-click its title and select Download. Once the download is complete, a confirmation message stating "Book download completed, click on the book to read" will be displayed. The downloaded book or books will now be highlighted in green. Double-click the book title to read the book. Similarly, you can log into the EG Android Reader and EG iOS Reader by completing the registration and downloading the books to read.